Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off Safari restriction on your iPhone. So for example, if I try to open my Safari application, as you can see it says you cannot browse this page at google.com.in because it is restricted. So how you can unrestrict it or any other website? So in order to do that, what you need to do is go to your settings, and from here you need to go to screen time, right? After that you need to scroll down a bit and find this option called content and privacy, and from here you need to select content restriction, and here you need to go to web content. As you can see, here it says allowed website. You just need to select the unrestricted button, and after that when you open your Safari, as you can, if you reload, yeah, it's again working properly as it is supposed to work.